I'm here today with an Ulta haul. I was gonna do like a Sephora and an Ulta haul all in one, but I have too much stuff. So we're just going to do this one as an Ulta haul, and then I have a Sephora haul, so make sure you're subscribed. That way you don't miss that video because there's some good stuff in there. And then I have a Target haul too. So we're just gonna do Ulta today, and then we'll do Target and the fragrance.net in another one. So there's gonna be 3 different makeup hauls coming at you. So don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, welcome. My name is Cassie. I like to shop a lot and spend way too much money on clothing and makeup items. So if you like to see new products that are coming out, you like try on hauls, please subscribe. I'm 18 and a half weeks pregnant right now. So I will be showing bump friendly stuff, but I am not a person that tends to buy like a lot of maternity wear. I kind of like to stick with my same clothes and style of clothes and same sizes as long as I can. So like this was from the Nordstrom sale. This is probably like my typical size. And then isn't this so cute? This is gonna be in a try on haul for Target, but they have these like cute like rompers. They're shorts, but this is an extra small, my typical small size, even when I'm not pregnant. So if you like that kind of stuff, why don't you subscribe? Stay tuned. They're gonna be coming at you. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave some comments down below of some new stuff that you have seen at Ulta that you're interested in trying or that you're loving. And let's get right into the haul. If it's something I've tried, I'm gonna tell you about it and tell you if I love it. Some of the stuff I've tried, some of it has been sitting over here in a pile of stuff to haul. And so it might be like, oh yeah, I did buy that, didn't I? Because this is an accumulation over like the last month and a half. Okay, the first is this L'Oreal True Match. I'm also filming on my phone, so things might be backwards. L'Oreal True Match Nude. I have the shade 4.5. I also had shade 5.6, 3.4, 3.4, something like that. I had another shade, but it was like way too pink. I really like this shade. This is shade 4.5, 4 to 5 medium. This is a beautiful, beautiful foundation. I apply it with a duo fiber brush, which if you guys follow me is unusual. I always use a sponge. This lasted easily 16 plus hours on me. It is phenomenal. Highly recommend if you like kind of a medium coverage foundation that looks like skin that's gonna last. That one is amazing. The other one, which I literally almost forgot to tell you about, is in here. So I'm gonna take to Hawaii. This is the Catrice foundation. I got mine at Ulta, but for some reason on Ulta.com, it is only showing 2 shades. So I don't know what's happening there, but you can get it on the Catrice website. You can get it on Amazon. So I'm gonna leave an Amazon link, even though this is an Ulta haul, for these foundations. I have Neutral Toffee and Neutral Hazel. I mix the two together depending on how fresh my self tan is. This is amazing. It's long wearing, easily 15 plus hours on me. It doesn't get shiny, doesn't break down, lasts phenomenally. So these are amazing, but I'm gonna leave an Amazon link since I cannot figure out why Ulta is not linking all the shades. I've been on the hunt for some concealer, mainly because I go to this tanning place in town and do my spray tans, and the tan there is like a really nice dark tan. And I feel like my concealers were looking too light, like way too light. So I've been on the hunt for kind of like a darker concealer. So I picked up the Catrice Liquid Camouflage in 32 and 20, nude beige and light beige. And these are nice concealers. I've used them before. I do really like them. And then I also picked up the Fit Me in 15 light. I don't know if I'm wearing either of these today. I think I'm using one other darker one that I had found in my collection. But these concealers are really nice if you like a drugstore concealer. You don't want to spend, my thing is blocking the drawer. You don't want to spend a ton of money on concealers. Those ones are really nice. You watched my Sephora haul. I picked up a bunch of cream bronzers. Well, I picked up another one. This is the e.l.f. one. This is the e.l.f. one. They don't put the shade on here. So this is the shade Tan Lines. And it's their putty bronzer. I love their putty blush. I love their putty eye primer, and I love their putty pore filling primer. So figured let's give this one a go. That one's Tan Lines. It's really nice. It's definitely like that putty feeling. A little less creamy than some of the other cream bronzers that I've been using, but I'm excited to try that. I have not tried that on my face yet, which these were hard to find because they kind of went TikTok viral, and so they like sold out everywhere. The Maybelline 4-in-1 Protector. I got the shade Fair, Light, and Medium because those were the only 2 shades. I have heard it is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless, Hollywood Flawless that I love. So I got kind of like a bronzier one for when I'm more self-tan, if I want more of a bronzy glow, and then this lighter one for more of a highlighted effect. And these are really great to mix in, either like mix with your foundation or put under. That's how I would use it, under my foundation. I would just put it anywhere that I'm wanting some extra glow to shine through my foundation. A lot of people that have been reviewing this are using them as foundation and then talking about how there's no coverage, but I don't use the Flawless Fusion or Flawless, I don't use this as a foundation. I use it as like a either glow on top of my foundation or under. So that is how I will use this. I know it says primer, concealer, highlighter, and BB cream. No, I would just use it as a glowy, beautiful product to put on top or under your foundation. So I really like these. I'm excited to play with them. I haven't been playing with them because they've been in the pile of stuff to haul. So I'm gonna put that in my drawer so I can use those. This Can't Stop, Won't Stop powder. This is in the shade medium. I had heard that this was a dupe for another powder, but I can't remember which one. But I'm excited to try it. This is the shade medium. I think that will be a good shade for me. So I'm gonna stick that in my little powder drawer. I also picked up another one of my infallible powders. This, you guys know, is Holy Grail. I get it in light medium. I've gone through like a bajillion of them. I was kind of like in this hunt for like wanting to try new foundations that weren't new anymore. So I picked up the Matte and Poreless and the Dewy and Smooth from Maybelline. I remember really loving these back in the day. I loved the Dewy and Smooth. I can't remember how I felt about the Matte and Poreless, but I figured I'd give them a try again. This one is in, they're both in 220 Natural Beige. So I got those to kind of play around with again. This e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I've heard a lot of people talking about these and they seem to like it. So I'll keep you posted on that primer too. Another concealer I picked up is the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. I picked this up in medium sand, which is a little bit darker. I dropped it. These are so nice if you haven't tried these yet. Sorry, I'm trying to go through these quickly so this isn't like a forever long haul. These are this is Milky Gloss. I have it in a honey color. This one is called Moody Peach and Cherry Skimmed. Do they smell? I can't remember. They do have a little bit of a scent, and they're just like, this looks kind of intimidating, but it's actually just kind of like that juicy popsicle look. That's actually way purpler than I thought. But this one is really pretty. I really like this one. This one's questionable on how much I'd wear it because it is pretty dang purple. But this color is pretty, and then that honey color is really nice too. That they came out with new Lifter Gloss shades. This is in the shade Brass and Opal. I think these are new. They were in a new display. So this one is like pink with gold shimmer. Can you see how pretty that is? And they're pretty clear. Ooh, they smell so good. And then this one is Opal, and it's like a peachy pink with gold shimmer. So it's pretty clear. But look how pretty those are. If you haven't tried these Lifter glosses, they're so nice. If you like the Fenty glosses, very, very similar, but obviously way cheaper. Another natural lip liner from NYX. I have a million of these because it's one of my favorite lip liners. This one, and then LA Girl Sugar and Spice, which is what's on my lips today. But this one's natural lip liner. It's one of my favorites. On my lips today, I have, because I know somebody's gonna ask, Sugar and Spice by LA Girl with, what lip gloss was it? Hug Me by MAC. And then I put some sort of gloss over it, but I don't think the gloss really changed the color. Okay, then I picked up the Super Stay Ink Crayon from Maybelline in the shade Achieve It All. And it's just a really pretty pinky nude, a little bit deeper. I like that one for fall. And then Ferris Nude. Do you guys remember when this used to be like such a popular color? Well, I found it again. Oh, it's very similar to Ferris Nude. Let me check Ferris Nude compared to Hug Me, because that looks quite similar to what's on my lips. Oh yeah, this one's a little more spicier. The Hug Me is a little more spicier. These were purchased like a really long time ago. This is when Sam came to visit me back in June. This palette is called Power Bar from Tarte. Hopefully it's still available. I don't think I hauled this. But isn't this pretty? Just a really nice neutral palette. You have, let me see if I can dry my hands off and swatch a couple of these colors for you. The mattes in this are really pretty. And then a really pretty kind of copper, and then a deep brown. Actually, maybe I'll bring this to white because I feel like that's like a really pretty, it's just a really nice neutral palette, and they don't pull too pink on me, which, or cool toned on me. I really like that. Maybe I'll wear that tomorrow. I'm wearing a Natasha Denona palette on my eyes today. It's like one of the little tiny ones in, I don't remember what it's called. Let me see. I keep getting questions on what I'm wearing, and then I don't mention them, and then people ask. It's this one, Mini Nude. That's what's on my eyes today. Okay, and then the other eyeshadow palette I got is this Tartelette Juicy palette. I think they have a smaller version of this too, but I got the big baby. And it's a really pretty pink one. I don't gravitate towards these rosy ones very much, but the bottom 2/3 of 3/3, 3/4. Wow, pregnancy brain. The bottom 3/4 I use a lot. They're really, really pretty. And I'd say the quality of the shadows are the same as this. The mattes definitely are really my favorite in this. So that's the Juicy palette. And then this Revolution Roxy palette. I'm pretty sure that I got this. This might be from Target, but I think I got it at Ulta. Either way. It's this really pretty contour palette. Isn't that pretty? I feel like I saw somebody haul this on TikTok. I don't know. I can't keep track. But that darker contour I definitely won't use, but aren't those are really nice. And then let's swatch a couple of the highlights. I don't ever use those like real pink highlights, but sometimes they're good for an inner corner. Yeah, those are pretty. They're a little thicker, but I thought that'd be nice. I was excited to kind of give that a go. Is that it? Did I finish my whole haul? Yay! All right, guys, that is it for my Ulta haul. I'm going to have a Target haul that I'm going to film next. I have a Sephora haul coming, so if you love hauls, please make sure you subscribe. That way you don't miss any videos. If I don't know which one's going to go up first, so I'll make sure I link them up here in the eye. And obviously check out my channel page if you missed any of them. That way you can make sure that you catch up on all the hauls. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!